Hi everyone, this video will cover how to place an order using the Good Acres Wholesale portal. In the last video, we covered account setup, so if you haven't already gone through those initial steps, the link to part 1 can be found below in the video description. Okay, so assuming that the addresses and your account details tab are all set up here, then we'll have you navigate to the top of the screen, Wholesale Shop. This is where you'll be able to see everything that we have in stock. We carry a mixture of local produce, protein, and value-added goods. So while the produce mix, like apples, might change with the seasons, it's easy to find items like eggs, meat, and plant-based proteins that you can source all year round. As you can see, your initial shop page is set to view all categories, but if you prefer to shop by a specific category, you can toggle between them using the right-hand side. Switching to frozen, eggs, protein, and grocery. We're in the early stages of working out a few bugs here, so if you notice that there's not a gap between the quantity and the add to cart when switching between these categories on the right hand side, what we'll have you do is we'll have you refresh the page. And here's where you'll be able to add items to your cart. To change the quantity, you can use these arrows, up and down arrows, or you can delete, backspace, and type in a custom numeral, add to cart. Once you're ready to check out, you can navigate to the basket on the upper right hand portion of your page. You can then click View Cart or Checkout. I like to click View Cart. The View Cart option will allow you to increase or decrease the items and quantity in your basket before you head to the checkout page. From here, you'll proceed to the checkout. On the checkout page, you'll be asked to confirm billing address, email, and whether you are placing an order for delivery or pickup. Let's go with delivery. You'll be able to select from a number of items on the calendar here. You'll fill this out, and then at the very bottom you'll notice that there's an order notes optional field. This is where it would be great to throw in a delivery window if you have one specific to your site. Once all of this is looking good, you'll navigate up to the top and click Place Order. After you place an order, you will receive an email confirming your order, and then upon delivery, you'll receive an invoice to your email address, where you'll be able to pay by credit card or pay by check, and we are a net 15 wholesaler. Thank you so much for watching, and please let us know if you have any questions and how we can better support you.